find these animations created with extraordinary artificial intelligence really exciting. What's even more interesting is that this AI is incredibly simple and currently free. In this video, we will first animate our favorite character using a text. Then we will use our own reference video. And finally, we will place the animated character in the main video. Let's get started. First, we need a 3D character. We can use Leonardo AI by creating a free account and signing in. Here, you can find characters. Just make sure their body measurements match your reference video for better results. If these characters aren't enough for you, you can click on Create New Image to create your own desired character by writing a prompt and specifying the output size. Now, let's move on to the next step. Open Google and search for Viggle. Enter the website and click on the Join the Beta option. You will need a Discord account to use this software. Once you've done that, answer a few initial questions and everything will be ready. Now, enter one of the Animate channels and type. This AI offers 6 options, each performing a specific task. Let's start with the first one and import the image of our desired character. In the next section, you can use the motion prompts provided by this AI on the website. There are many diverse options. By clicking this button, you can copy the prompt and paste it here. Then, select the type of background and activate the fine-tune option. Press the Enter key and wait for your video to be generated. Despite some problems, it is truly fascinating. Next, we move on to the Mix option and import the image of our desired character. Now we need to add a reference video. It's better to choose a green background this time, so it can be removed. All it's good. Import the video into CapCut and place the original video in the layer below it. Then, choose the Chroma key option from the video section and select the green color with the specified intensity to remove the background. You can see that even the camera movement has been done well. To remove the character from the original video, you can use the Runway ML AI. Of course, by searching on Google, you can find free software that may have lower quality, but will give you an acceptable output. In the in-painting section, import your desired video and completely cover all parts of the character with the brush tool. You can check the preview, and if it's acceptable, click on the export button. Now, import the video into CapCut and replace the Enjoy it. Until next time, stay creative.